over the tails of the fillies thing. And dogs normally stand up, but she just like scooches around on them.
You tell that tail who's boss. Who's...
Like this last night before she went to sleep.
Keep you going.
You're not getting jokes from the but she slept a lot today actually. She's been out and about a lot.